Okay guys, what we have here is P, Q and R, and what we've been told to do is that if you read through the list, okay, you know 25 solved P, 24 solved Q, 18 solved R, no bother, 8 solved P and Q and R. That explains the 8 in the middle, doesn't it? Everybody happy with that? 12 solved P and Q, 3 solved P and Q, sorry, 3 solved P and R but not Q. P and R but not Q. Where's that located? P and R, not Q.
Left of the A.
Yeah, left of the A. Okay? So just waiting on this to put up the pen. There we go. About time. Okay, so that's the tree there. Now, next thing it tells us is, it tells us what P intersection Q is. That's 12, isn't it? So 12 take away 8? 4. Now all of a sudden the 8 plus the 4 gives you your 12. It doesn't tell us this one here, does it? Does it tell us what Q intersection R is? Is there any mention of Q intersection R? No. My suggestion for you is to do this. Call it X. It's the most central one that you don't know. Next thing. 25 people in P. So 25 take away 4, take away 8, take away 3. 10. Good man. Next one. 18 for R. 18 take away 3, take away 8, take away X. 7 take away X. Alright, the next one. This one here. 24. Take away 4, take away 8, take away X, and somebody said 12 minus X. You are correct. Everybody okay with that? We good? Now, how many people saw P and Q but not R? How many pupils saw P and Q but not R? P and Q, not R. If we just add them together, it works, doesn't it? So look, what's plus X? We're just going to add everything. See this region here? We're just going to add everything within that. Does that make sense? Because that's P and, that's PR. We're not allowed to include R, are we? So just P and Q, but not R. Are we allowed to leave the answer in terms of X? I suppose so. Oh, there's 39 pupils in. There's 39 pupils in all. So what can I do with all this? I can find out X, can't I? So I should put the whole thing equal to 39, redo the diagram, and then I'll find out what I'm looking for. Okay, let's do this, guys. Let's find out what X is. So, would everybody be happy with 10 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8? Has to be 25. Has to be 25. Next one. What about this part here, guys? 12 plus 12, 24. Next part has to be 24. Oh, wait. I'm double counting. Sorry, guys, I'm double counting. The first circle, sorry, we'll do this one more time. The first circle is 25. Would everybody agree that's 25? Everybody happy that's 25? Yeah. Great. Now, we're going to do 12 minus X plus X. It's just 12. Add the two of them together, you just get 12. And then after that, it's just going to be 7 minus X plus the 0. And that has to equal 39. So how many people equals 39 there? 37, 44. 44 take away. X equals 39. X will have to equal 5. Come back up the top. Now what am I going to do here, David?
You're going to replace X with 5.
So 12 minus X. That's going to be 7. That's going to be 5. And that's going to be 2. So 7, 5, 2. 7, 5, and 2. How many people solve P and Q but not R? P and Q, not R. 10, 14 plus 7? 21. How many pupils solve P only? Huh? Yeah. Find the maximum minimum number of pupils that could have solved P or Q or R. I'm thinking, lads, do you know the question I just did? Do you know the question I did at the very beginning? I think that might be only for part 4, and it's not actually for the first 3 questions. So as it turns out, I'm just going to go back in time. We already answered the last question. Are you happy enough with that? We've already answered part 4. But I think it wants us to go back here. And I think it wants it in terms of x. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 12 minus x. Would everybody be happy with 26 take away? X for this region up here. Okay, next thing. P only. Well, that's always going to be 10, isn't it? P only, 10. Find the maximum number of pupils that could have solved P, Q, or R. P, Q, or R, that means all of it, doesn't it? Maximum number. I would argue with you guys that the maximum value of x is 7. Can anybody tell me why I think the maximum value of x is 7? Charlie. See 7 minus x. If x is bigger than 7, what would happen? Can't have a minus, can you? So what happens if all of these are 7? Look what happens. 10 plus 4 plus 5. So that's 19, isn't it? Oh, sorry. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. 22 plus 8, 30. 30 plus 7, 37. 37 plus 0, it's 37, is it? Everybody happy with 37 when x equals 7? What happens when x equals 0? 0 would be the minimum value of x. Let's figure out what happens when x is 0. Doesn't exist. 10 plus 4? 10 plus 4? 14 plus 12? 26 plus 3? 29 plus 8? 37. 37 plus 7? Ah, there we go. There's 44 people when x equals 0, but there's only 37 when x equals 7. So which one's the max and which one's the min? The max is 44 and the minimum is 37. Anybody get that? Good job. Tough question, guys. Now, finally, this one here, guys. All you need to do, won't be doing too many of these. All you need to do is add all these up together, and how many people played football in total? Doesn't tell you, does it? Doesn't tell you. One sec. Shh. Lads, add all these up together, and what should you get? You should get 23. So add everything in that bracket, put it equal to 23. Then, likewise, add everything in 23 played badminton, okay? And what does it say about 11 played badminton and what does this part have to equal then? You're basically saying x plus y has to equal 11. What about the black circle? X plus x, 2x, 2y plus y, 3y. Minus 2 minus 2, minus 4, and that has to equal 23, because there's 23 people. Move the 4 over the other side. 2x plus 3y equals 27. You do a simultaneous equation, find the x value, find the y value, sub it back in, answer the questions. You're doing 13, 14, 15 tonight.